Oh, I'm good. Yeah, good. Do till you about my tip and Tawankayo. Last year's during the Lloyd Independence Day, World Day, and Dungan trip, never forgot, and days do escape the noise and the city and travel to Wankaya. I'm very full and do and located in the northern North Yauyos Cochas lands and scarping reservoir and traveling with my mom and two best and friends. We plans and the opportunities and for months because we reality nerves and back. We ended with a lab and we start on try alt tunes diamond. We tour bus for the district of El Tambo. The trim was launched and boy bull and were very we are in Tort and 7 a.m. and the finishing we did was once in the French Mount. I were standing in Smart Coins Hotel near the river and enjoyed a traditional breakfast do research of energy. What did when finished we visited the famous colonial winds and the was there fights and Walker for ons all the time and do hundreds of photos and stalking with the local people and was scourged and they would found and completed on relax and we ends that they are engine friends tools which and was delicious. We visiting Guayao Lago. The most part was simply magical. Ian named Mount and some salts bring and touch the coals and making the turquoise water water sparkling tones and one sons the wind mass was warning her in the valley. And in Benham, Duran light both warned and discovered the wind continued beyond the scenarios. Remember exact whatever joy was enjoyed my month and wording antique and real world faction and hitting balls because and she once more encounters. That's in one jet that calls the shell must standing and what look what in the horizon. My thing and with on gas the were lacuns and shrimp and snake. The more and more scarf and sunglasses. the listeners and Becard and Kanking. And thank you.